So the situation that I've been having since we got our rig was I couldn't see that last marker light at night when we were going around people or some of the tight places that we get into, you know, some of the cities we go through. So come to find out, what was blocking it was the arm of the awning. So I will show you here in just a minute what I did to resolve the problem, and I think they turned out pretty nice. So here we are, looking from the side of the mirror, the extension mirror, down the side of the trailer, and this right here is the arm to the awning. And what it was doing was it was blocking that little marker light there in the back. So what I come up with is an extension marker light that is adjustable, and it fits right there into the bumper. We don't use our bumper for the sewer hose and stuff. It's not big enough for our sewer hose. So basically what I did was I took some scrap material, a piece of metal plate, a couple of little pieces of angle iron, a piece of 1/2-inch gas pipe, and then the ID on that was 1/2 inch. The pipe that's coming out is a piece of tubing that was a 1/2 inch OD, and then of course just a little marker light, and then a piece of scrap material that I had. Welded the angle iron onto the plate, welded the gas pipe onto the plate, slid the pipe through it with some wiring, and then put a screw in it so that I can adjust it. I have one for each side, and basically what I did on the wiring was I just wired it right in to this marker light here that I couldn't see. So it really helps at night when you're, you know, going around somebody or something like that. The reason why I made it adjustable was so when we're parked at a campsite, I can slide it back in and we don't have to worry about hitting our knees on it or whatever. But it really does help.